In 1671, a man nearly pulled off the most audacious royal robbery in British history. Colonel Thomas Blood wanted to steal the crown jewels from the Tower of London. His plan was brilliant. He disguised himself as a parson and spent months befriending the elderly keeper of the jewels. He even arranged a fake marriage between their children to build trust. On the day of the heist, Blood arrived with 3 accomplices. They overpowered the keeper, flattened the St. Edward's crown with a mallet so it would fit under Blood's cloak, started sawing the scepter in half to make it easier to carry, but they were caught at the Tower gates. Blood was dragged before King Charles II expecting execution. Instead, something shocking happened. The king not only pardoned Blood completely, but granted him land and a pension. Why would a king reward the man who tried to steal his crown jewels? The true reason remains one of history's greatest unsolved mysteries. Some say Blood was a secret government agent, others believe he was blackmailing the royal family. We may never know the truth.